Hey girl, so you see my shower routine and my post-shower routine and you're like, girl, I don't have that much time. Neither do I. I don't do that every single shower. Relax, okay? So I want to walk you through my morning shower routine and my morning post-shower routine because just like you, sometimes I am crunched for time because I got to clock in for the girls, okay? Okay. This routine takes me 15 to 30 minutes max from start to finish, just depending on what my playlist look like, if I'm being honest. Because sometimes it's a concert and that's 10 minutes right there for the intro. You get me? So let's get into it. But before we get into it, I do want to address one thing. If you think that you need to see me in the shower to believe that I have showered, we got bigger fish to fry. Okay? Because one thing you're never going to see is me getting butt naked to film myself so you can see me wash a piece of my back. It's never going to happen. It's literally never going to happen. It's never going to happen. Amen? Amen. All right, so first things first, y'all know I love Dove. I don't like Dial. I don't like any other soap. Use whatever soap works for you, but we are going to start off with our first cleanse using a Dove bar of soap. This is my personal choice. I use this or the Sensitive. They also have an antibacterial one. Whichever one floats your boat. I don't care what kind of soap you use. Just make sure you're using a bar of soap. Okay? And we are also using our African net sponge. We are not using a washcloth. For this entire shower routine, we are only using our African net sponge. We are not using exfoliating gloves. We are not using anything else besides that one African net sponge, okay? Okay. And then y'all know I am for the streets when it comes to a body wash. I am going to use whatever body wash that meets my skin needs at that time, okay? I am not loyal to a body wash. Whichever one works for me in that time and in that season is the one I'm using. So the one I'm currently using right now is Naturium's the Booster Hyaluronic Acid Body Wash. This really helps to hydrate your skin. I absolutely love this stuff. Like my skin just looks so supple whenever I use this. So this is what I used this morning. And I have been using for at least the past 2 weeks. I finally re-upped on my Naturium. Naturium, call me. Call me. Do you love me? Because I love you. Okay. But anyway, I've been loving this one. You do not have to use this. You can use whatever body wash works for you. But again, this is what has been working for me. My skin has been so soft, so supple, and most importantly, so moisturized. And last but certainly not least, we're going in with our feminine wash. Y'all know I love this one. Yes, it has tea tree oil. Nobody's saying it's 100% tea tree oil in here. For some reason, y'all think that this is going to burn. Why would I ever put anything on my lady bits that's going to burn? Answer quickly. This is my personal favorite. You can use Honey Pot. You can use whichever one is your favorite. But again, this is what works for me. I absolutely love this stuff. We are not using the African net sponge for this. We're taking a little dime size. We are putting it into our hands and we are going to work, okay? We're going to work. Get in there. It's yours. It's literally your body. You should not be afraid of your own body. You're washing it. You seeing it get clean, okay? Okay. We're going to hop out of that shower, use a towel to dry off just a little bit. We're still wanting to be a little damp, okay? Then we're going to go in with our Dickinson's Witch Hazel Toner. You're going to get your pits. I have been using it heavily underneath my breastises because breast sweat is the funkiest sweat in history, I promise you. Oh my God. And y'all, it's getting so hot here in Georgia. Oh my God. Hit here in betwixt. Amen. Amen. Get your lady bits, not inside, not even inside the little folds, outside only where your thigh is and where the top is. Thigh, top. Okay. Then you're going to take another cotton round. You're going to hit the back, your butt cheeks. Yes, your butt cheeks. Hit the back. Don't put this in your booty hole. Somebody asked me that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just don't. I'm not going to explain why you shouldn't. Just don't. Okay? Then I'm going to go in with my Holy Girl. I am a dry skin girly. I use this all year round. This may be too heavy for you, and that's okay. But we love Nivea over here. Nivea, call me. Anyway, I go in with this for my first layer. Putting on lotion should only take you max a minute to 2 minutes. My full body from neck down. A minute to 2 minutes, okay? That's it, that's all. Once you put your lotion on, I'm going in with my Africa's Best Herbal Oil. I am locking in the moisture that we just put on via the lotion. Oil goes after. It's not up for debate. It's not up for debate. It's truly not. Y'all can sit here and argue that you put on oil first. Argue with your mama, I don't argue. Oil is a sealant. Okay. Then I go in with a body butter. and a scented body oil. Now, I just got put onto Brown Sugar Babe. It's a Black woman-owned business. We love Black women over here. Amen, amen. I mixed that with my Josie Moran body butter, vanilla vibe specifically, and today I use Caked Up. So I just put some in my hand, put some of the body oil in with the body butter, rub that together, put it all over my body, okay? That took me 1 to 2 minutes max. I don't even think we at the 15-minute mark right now. Once you do that, we are going to put on deodorant with aluminum in it. With aluminum in it. I love the Secret Clinical Gel Completely Clean. This is my absolute favorite deodorant. If you are a sweaty girl, this works for me. Not the solid, the gel. You gotta get the gel. Please do not forget to apply your deodorant. I have lived in the South all my life. You need deodorant. I don't care if you use aluminum or not. Put the deodorant on, okay? Put the deodorant on. Please and thank you, corporate. Once that is done, I go in with my fragrance of the day. Again, I'm not leaving the house without any fragrance. That's just my personal preference. I have been loving the brand Le Monde Gourmand. Like, this is literally becoming easily my favorite everyday fragrance brand. Today, I am wearing this scent Noir Distill. It is so sweet, creamy, and light. Y'all, I have been wearing this almost every single day. Like, this is just such a good combo. Can't even lie to you. Can't even lie to you. And that's it, y'all. I put my clothes on and I get to work and I clock in for the girls, reporting for duty. Okay? That does not take me an hour. It does not take me 45 minutes. 15 to 30 minutes max. Y'all got 15 to 30 minutes in the morning. You do. I know you do. You do not need to skimp on self-care or loving on yourself or just showing up for yourself in this specific way because you're short on time. It never gave that. It truly never gave that. I want you to take your time, take care of yourself in the morning, whether you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour and a half. You make time for what you want to make time for. I promise you this routine does not take me long. You will feel clean, you will feel confident, and you will go into the world a better and more confident person. And on top of all that, you'll smell good. What's better than that? Oh, okay. And that, my girls, is my morning shower and post-shower routine. Now, I can't end the video without answering all the questions that I know you're going to ask, so let's get into it. These glasses are Versace. They are prescription. They're super old, no longer sold, but I do have a dupe for them in my Amazon store. My necklaces are from Ana Luisa. They are always pinned to the top of my LTK shop in my bio. This robe is also from Amazon. I absolutely love it. I live in it. It has pockets. Need I say more? Okay. And that is it. Oh, and the hair, of course, the hair. How could I forget the hair? This is a sew-in. I have in 4 bundles a 22-inch raw body wave hair. I don't have a link for the hair. I bought it from my local hair store in my hometown when I was visiting, and it is absolutely amazing. It has been the best match for my hair texture and type, and I have not had to add any extra heat since my appointment a week ago. So... And I already have a video up on how I maintain it and do my flexi runs at night. So if you need that information, just go over to a previous video. Scroll the page, babe. I got you. That's it for me. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you on my next one. I love you. Goodbye.